Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this LEGO Jedi Bob. Firstly, the legs come from the Mandalorian armourer. The torso I used comes from the Admiral Pride minifigure. The head and hands come from this Trained Conductor minifigure. The cape I used comes from this Mandalorian. And finally I used the hood from this Obi-Wan Kenobi. If you've built it correctly, the minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. Overall, I'm quite happy with the way this minifigure has turned out. It was requested by Baggins Bricks ages ago, so I'm finally doing that request now. Hope you like it. Ideas are always welcome if you have any, but I'm currently going through my very long list and I'm about halfway through in terms of videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I'd suggest maybe subscribing if you haven't already, and maybe giving it a like so other people can find it. You may enjoy my tutorial on how to make a LEGO Hawkbat Battalion clone trooper, so I will put that on the end screen now for you.